Legends of Learning presents the Founding Choices game. This is a U.S. history game that makes learning about the politics in the new country fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, step into the shoes of early American leaders. Through 10 scenarios, they make key decisions on federal power, liberty, unity, public trust, and constitutional interpretation. Each choice shapes their leadership style and reveals how early debates define the U.S. government. Students explore historical context, analyze differing viewpoints, and reflect on the lasting impact of Washington, Jefferson, Hamilton, and others. Use the mouse to select different decisions that will help change the nation's future. Different decisions have different consequences. See if you can score the highest score in leading your nation to a brighter future. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.